Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, of course our channel. So today I'll be showing a glimpse of what some days look like in my life living in New York City. So I finally got to visit the prom. This kind of gave me the feeling of still living in Nigeria. I mean some parts of Nigeria though. If you don't know already, I'm a Nigerian. So I went to patronize this girl who offered to make my hair. And of course, that's what we do, patronizing our friends or someone we know. She braided my hair, but guys, I sincerely miss my hairstylist back home in Nigeria. I know why. But anyhow, she tried. The environment was just as those I usually see in movies, just bad guys movies. But I kind of felt safe because of her, you could see people standing on the road and all. So I went to the train station, waited for this train. It was frustrating, but the train finally came and everyone just jumped into the train. So inside the train, see the way they packed us like sardines. This guy was there entertaining us, dancing, he was cheering him up, giving him money, and he was feeling himself. But it kind of helped though, because some of us were bored and tired. We see some people's faces, they were tired and all. And I almost missed my lectures though.
Hey guys, it's 49 p.m. Honestly, I can't wait for the class to be over. I'm already tired and drained. I don't think I like the class, but
here I have that one munition
I
selected.
already did.
So my first step is what my average cost, what my average charges, and my length of stay.
Finally. Finally, class is over. Tired. I don't know what he's talking about. I'm tired of sucking this as I know.
No, what do you mean? I think you said you chose to do.
We couldn't just wait for this class to be over, so I was entertaining my friends while waiting for the bus, and we're also watching people swim. We have the swimming lessons that anyone can attend. So we waited for the school bus to come. So anytime you finish from class, you can call the school bus. They come pick you up to wherever you want to go to, even if you want to go to the party. But anyhow, there's something about this man, this bus driver. Whenever he takes us home, he makes sure we get into the house, close the door before he leaves. So I just had to video this part. This is my friend going to her house, waiting for her to go in, lock her door before. I think that's actually very cool. He's such a gentleman. I went to Marshall's to pick up a candle because my friend invited us for a brunch at her place. And you don't go to someone's house without a gift. That's very important. So it was actually my first time eating Indian food, guys. The food was good. It was good. I won't lie. It was actually very nice.
Potatoes in it?
So
Whole potatoes and then cucumber, and then sesame seed. And this is my attempt to make for me. Yeah, it looks good.
thereafter we went to the museum. Like that's the Met Museum. Yeah, it was actually very beautiful. The architecture, everything was God, out of this world. I mean, if you know me, you know I love art. So I went to Manhattan to get what to eat. There's this particular pastry shop. I think it's called Paris Baguette. Sorry, I do have issues with French pronunciation, but I can afford it there. So I actually fell in love with their apple pie and their tuna sandwich. Guys, I so much love this too. I think their coffee is just there, but these are the things I got. So after I went to pick up protein powder, I do have issues eating, so someone recommended I get this. Thereafter, I went to H&M and Victoria's Secret, got some stuff and also the perfume because I saw some reviews on TikTok about it. So hopefully, I don't know if you guys want a review too. So I then went on a dinner date with my friend. I've forgotten the name of this place, but I'm definitely going back. The burger was so good, So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you get a notification when next I post. Bye.